So guys, in this video we will use this IsNull method to check if any row contains a null value or not. So for example, we have this ndf2. So ndf2 dot is null. Okay, that's it. Now if I run it, you can see all the values are false. Okay, that means we don't have any null values. So let's change some values, right? So ndf2 and then loc, then assume we want to change all the rows at column C. Okay, so we'll just choose all the rows then at column C. Okay, you can obviously write ndf2 in the box bracket column C. That will also do the same thing, but that will throw an warning, right? So we will use this .loc method. So it's better to use this .loc method whenever you want to change something. Okay, so practice with obviously .loc method. Don't change directly. Okay, so that should be equals to none or null, whatever. Okay, now if I run it and print ndf2, you can see that the C column is now set to none with all the rows, right? So now if I just write ndf2 dot is null and oops, yeah, now if I run it, you can see that the C column returns true and everyone else is returning false. Okay, so this is used to check whether it contains a null value. If it contains a null value, it will return true, otherwise it will return false. Okay.